Well, lads, I've just posted an assignment up there. Number 3, learn CSS Flexbox by building a photo gallery. So click on it. There's instructions there. You'll notice that there's a second video there actually giving you answers to these, but you really should try it yourself. So in Free Code Camp, click on it. And you can see here you can click Start Project. So this is to learn cascading style sheets, Flexbox, by building a photo gallery. And basically Flexbox helps you design your web page so that it looks good on any screen size. So Start Project, and you can see very quickly there what your project is going to look like. Start coding. So you have to, in these little sections, answer these questions. So step 1. And you've got 2 files here. You've got an index.html and you've got a styles sheet as well, styles.css. So, number 1 here, step 1, begin with your standard HTML boilerplate, add a doc type declaration. So let's get in there and our exclamation mark, let's blow it up a bit there for you. So we've got a doc type, all in capital letters, HTML. It's grand, back out there again. Next we're going to just put in our normal HTML tag and complete that HTML tag as well. Right, and inside there we're going to have our head and our body. And head, of course, is for kind of linking other pages and a lot of metadata, stuff about your page and that. And do we have any other things to do? So that's your standard boilerplate code there. Let's have a quick look at it. So that's your standard boilerplate code. So that lets the browser know that it's the latest version of HTML. Then you've got your whole skeleton here, HTML down to HTML at the bottom. There's your start tag. There's your end tag. Of course, you've got the head start tag, head close tag, body start tag, body end tag. Okay, so last bit you're asked there is add the language attribute to the opening HTML tag. So the language attribute, I'm not sure what it is by default. It's probably American or something, but I'm going to put in the language tag with English as the language, EN representing English there. So let's check your code. And it's telling me sign in to save my progress. So I'll continue with Google there. Alright, so start coding. Let's check your code again. Test, congratulations, your code passes. Submit your code to continue. And you're on to step 2. And good luck with the rest of it.